Ebusa for high GC News, Mema Ubibia Akwaba, Hadia latest hot Nkwa Eramide Bremo. Enuti Sunya subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say over subscribe. Gabby the say over click the subscribe button, you know. Na wabele notification, we had a video for free be upload no when the first person was Ebeka a year sa video. Afi we are na like video no give us a thumbs up na afi share my or for so that when you be here now and some do na ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanum afi tentemo imbura ye ensemo abeto yepuno so umayiti eye sa report ya ababetu umayiti asemi
and Ntim Fordjour chief onye obi ya o mama nka kire. These are people are almost supervising the upcoming biggest scandal under the Ministry of Education.
Scandal
the biggest scandal
Mustafa,
apart from national service. Ministry of Education.
Scandal being.
May Kachira say the upcoming biggest scandal in Ntim Fordjour extra so the scandal at the Ministry of Education involving school feeding and your friend is saying teachers payroll. Teacher for will be age salary. Now or try or school a non-existing school. Ntim Fordjour na tina so.
When you na mobile, you mabe mu hwehwe mu ana mu gusa mu.
Me say we are 3 months in government. It is coming up. So onye obi asa o. Because like I told you, President Akufo Addo's government go way beyond a corrupt regime. It was a government that incentivized, promoted, lived in crime. It was a crime scene. And it's difficult to fight crime in this country. But trust me, the NDC government is determined to do that. It doesn't matter whether an NDC person is involved or an NPP person is involved. It's not about previous appointees. Crime is crime, and crime should be fought at.
Okay.
And all of you must help us to curb crime and also remain vigilant on the government to ensure that much as we are fighting crime, we are not also behind the scene creating more crimes. And that is how a country is built. And now cocaine as someone or more can be today. Meaning anka obi anti cocaine anka won't think count. You understand? If the things happen and nobody talks about it, you will not get to know. We are only getting to know because a system is fighting a 350 million worth of cocaine. It was arrested. Nobody is asking, say, oh, Cecilia, cocaine, and want somebody him. Only for MPP to come and say, a aircraft to be about Ghana, a befa cocaine is. And then we are joking with all of these intelligence. Meaning, me, if I'm going to US, I may not be subjected to strict check, but an ordinary Ghanaian who is innocent may be going to US. Because of the politics of your country, you are subjected to strict search because there's still country there, cocaine. How does that become politics?
But Mustafa, Wakofa Benti, tell us the latest on Ahmed Kavok issue. What's the latest?
I can only complain because I'm a student of security. I can only complain about the wrongful handling of what is supposed to be intelligence information from the minority side. The minority does not have, in stricter sense, the right to investigate. They are a body of parliament. You see, the body that has oversight. But if you get an intelligence information, because you don't want to, as it were, pollute that or dissolve the strength of the information you have, you give it to appropriate bodies to investigate. If you took the lead to do a press conference and say that planes have left the country, you have not done your investigation well, you have not shown the world any shred of evidence. Oh, look at the planes. This is the era of social media. Omulodu cocaine in this canon will be nipa na amount information have been able to take a picture, or there were some grounds on which videos could not record. You get what I mean?
No, but
so if you go about the thing the way they did, one could only come to a conclusion, say, you who have alleged must lead the investigation. So you must then bring out the little information you have. Nobody in this country should prioritize cocaine trade. And nobody should be happy when our country becomes a cocaine transit point in the sub-Saharan Africa, or it becomes a point of arms trade, which is against international treaties and all of that, and even against the security of our own country. So if you have that information, it is only fair that after 1 week of politicking, you bring out the information to assist in investigation. Thanks to the president. I think within 6 hours, 8 hours of their press conference, the president responded and said, look, I'm empowering all state agencies to get into this investigation to unravel the mystery behind it, and also ensure that the individual who becomes the lead, volunteer of this information will be part of it to assist and for us to unravel the mystery. Only for the one who have made a press conference to be investigating in the media, either than dealing with the institutions of state.
But Mustafa Mebao, as a parliamentarian, the caliber of Reverend Ntim Fordjour in Parliament, Parliament has that oversight responsibility. He has an information, and he has several options. Obetimi afaso edis hasemono ede atuja, and he used one of the options, which is a press conference.
It's wrong. As a student of security, I would have used the option that I will hand it over to yourself, a good journalist, to do further investigation and do an expose on it. Number two, I would hand it over to collaborative state agencies. Collaborative state agencies.
Yes.
No more investigation. You've made a press conference. That is good. The press conference didn't carry an iota of evidence. It didn't carry anything to show, sir, this is what have happened. Yes, plane number so and so was in the country. Do we ask Magdan his private jet when it is going? Do we ask what is in it? Tell me, President Akufo Addo, the private planes that comes and go in this country, have we asked the content of those private planes? Much as you have a right, say, over suspect, say, BB, and as a information, put that information out. Or say, we are minister. And in Ntim Fordjour, Chief, Onya will be Mamin Country. These are people who almost supervise the upcoming biggest scandal under the Ministry of Education.
Scandal,
the biggest scandal apart from national service. Ministry of Education.
Scandal, Bang.
May Kachra will say the upcoming biggest scandal in Ntim Fordjour extra. So, the scandal at the Ministry of Education involving school feeding and your friend is saying teachers' payroll. Teacher 4 will be a salary. Now, or try the school, a non-existing school. Ntim Fordjour mun etina so.
When you na mobile, you mabe yemu hwehwemu ana amugu samu.
Me say we are 3 months in government. It is coming up. So onye obi asa o. And we should not glorify nonsense in this country.
Oh.
Sir, this character, you sat on this level of corruption, and we will put out things about school feeding, the corruption under school feeding, and then you will get to know the kind of people who are talking. So let me tell you, you can insult John Mahama. There's no problem with it. Okay? You can insult us. There's no problem with it. But when you sought to injure the reputation and credibility of the country as opposed to the international community, it is offensive. And trust me, if Ntim Fordjour does not bring evidence, one of these days, he will be arrested.
No, but has he been invited? Because he's all over the place. So be on friend. Indeed, by now he should have been invited for questioning.
Oh no, I'm gonna tell. The mere fact that he hasn't been invited doesn't mean nothing will happen to him.
Something will happen to him.
Something will obviously happen to him, and that is if he fails to give evidence, he will be arrested. What do you say? We shouldn't be doing that stuff. My or minus how say MPP for Lusu Ntino. Yem breaking up the new government. Onya anti abanugua. Abanman and one maso. So what you say? I'm on some day you, but yam fan sunny or man dog and panto kakra. Who you are Minister of Deputy Minister of Nyama Minister of Education Bini and Yama Bontea. Who will bring it out and everybody will go and get to know the caliber of individuals and the type of Ntim Fordjour. What they are here? What about the cast? Maybe Baba catch us at Dom FM we are corrupt. I should be giving you at least information, sir. We into the mechanism and yes. And now we are Mr. Woman Chair Markin. It's because he was the board chairman of ECG. At the time was I never win ACC. And for any serious investigation, these people should be invited. And I said it and I gave evidence. What was the press conference? Say your country, the government has allowed cocaine and money to be transited out of the country without giving a shred of background. And you have been asked to lead investigation. If you have, why do you want the perpetrators to escape just because you want to vindicate yourself? Say, oh, Chen will be, he doesn't have any evidence.
Okay.
There's nothing like that that has occurred. So what they are here. We cannot do that to our own country.
All right. Ura Mustafa Bandi. Enti efianra bayidie ati samani bebre and various reactions are a free anamoa mutu no enra. But for many metiefua ebi obi honoma onim how you even got the information. How did you get the information? Enti mudi tu anamo echo Ben Peters esui. Mustafa.
Yo, yeah. First of all, in a distress call, would be at the cars numbering about 10 to 12. A blockade road entrance to particular residence now. So in between Jubilee House and 37 Hospital, Ghana Water Company away in Finfin. Just by that Ghana Water Company, building a. So you would say that it is within the jurisdictions of the Jubilee House, which is the seat of precedence. And I was asked to go and check AC Wahonam. Medu I'm ranting people 60, 70, suit, black, white, a woman. The reason was only cars, no, so I'm boss, so I'm block it. Meaning I will be in pain, will be up. And they will not vouch. See, I call for reinforcement of the police, not national security. And a police for the buyer. They cannot arrest all of them. So we call for more deployment. And Iran boys. And I feel we and I'm say, Papa now, or yes, I roadblock the Yankochena. Fena Benedict Peters now. And he owned a number of apartments on that building. You know, say a woman card back for a lift. And he felt that he couldn't have been given only one lift for all his apartments or to get access to the floors of his apartment.
We are told, say, not just or 8 apartments.
That's correct.
Okay. Okay.
Now, if you have a problem of this nature, it's a purely management issue. It is not enough to block the apartment. Diplomats are wanting to be on Ntim Kwejuma, Obianzu Ntim Pie, Obianzu Ntim. And afi ya chain. Ya chain why afi ya call from. Cars now all you swing na police siren agents. As a national security pickups and as a police pickups. I'm rantia who you sue. Krumuha, I'm none of my coin. Say, over build a security force in any form or shape without authorization from a Minister of Interior. 2, you're here in a garage. A number of escalators, numbering close to 30 of them, ne G-Wagon. Unregistered now, they are parking a form and I see police motorcade back on Ejinaho number plate any so. So how did one person, a foreigner, get access to all of these power, these opportunities to all use this level of a year against the laws of the country? Well, and so it wasn't a national security operation. It was purely a police operation. I'm going to call regional police commander or go through on a statement. I think they granted him a bail for further investigation to continue. It didn't mean that he wasn't arrested at all. He was arrested and granted to bail. The most important thing is that as it stands, he's a suspect for roadblock and many other offenses that would have taken place in the course of that unlawful conduct.
Okay.
The police are looking up to that.
Okay. But who video and I should be on my social media platform. It looks like there was a scuffle. As a friend says a scuffle between police Fono and Ben Peters ne Fono. Tell us more about that, Mustafa.
There was no scuffle. Police Fono Baname. Said they should ransack all of them.
Okay.
And in the process of arresting to handcuff them, one of them was resisting. And police pounced on him to make sure that they're able to contain him. In fact, he was the ringleader of the individuals at the core.
But how easy or difficult was it? Say mutimi ewura ni mura fie ni ankasa call baby Ben Peters wono ekokoche no because we had an account and they say all my warning say obe shoot you obe to obe fire say mo ba hwa no kresa
okay say obi abeba top bi ya won mabon tu na msi okay. So we started looking for him in the 8th apartment yakoha won here yakoha won ho and yakonya no 8th floor apartment na e won ya chain. In the bathroom.
I see.
As it told you, it's not so easy like that. And the I need a corner, pencil and a
Nipa was saying, and Makudia police force him.
The boys are there be brave. Number of them. About 20 of them or 30 of them. But we have arrested the numbers that are enough to make a case or to build a case. At what level would a private individual have more than 10 bodyguards? This is a security setup. So do you have a license to run that? A foreigner cannot own a private security company in Ghana. Do you have a license security? All of these things will be issues. Why are you using siren, police siren near the other? So it's for the police to do their work, and I will prevail on the police to do a diligent work. It doesn't matter who is involved. It doesn't matter the capacity or caliber of the person. The law is the law. But if you break the law, you would have to face it.
But Mustafa, the connection between Ben Peters and the former government, there's connection somewhere. Mustafa.
Ben Peters, yeah, Obia, a former government. I mean, what I know about him is that Obia, whether he's a wanted man, whatever it is from Nigeria, he's worked with the previous government, President Akufo Addo. So frontiers, yeah, no, be able to say, Ben Peters is the man. So frontiers now, you winning election. Okuja toka asi ya registration now is deleted from the system. That is Ben Peters' company. Frontiers
COVID-19, yeah.
Kenya 87 million as a 9 million penny bar to the states now. It is Ben Peters. So we have sat in this country and unnecessarily empowered people with impunity to undermine our own country. Look, Minya, all these things you are seeing, I'm saying in the last 1 month, every day is a crime scene or one and other matter coming up. It's because the previous government had a full reception, incentivized crimes, high crimes. They do everything possible to make sure that individuals, powerful individuals, are able to do what they want. Today, the current government decides that I want to fight these crimes. Some of the things you ask yourself, how are we building a country? Young for politics and twinching. Why would you empower private individuals so powerful than even the laws of your country? And this is what we have had to live in the last 8 years. Look, President Akufo Addo didn't just leave a corrupt regime.
We are so patient as a party, as a nation. The boards will be put together. When the boards are put together, then full authorization is given to the heads of the various institutions. Then we see what goes on.
Now it's about Nache.
Well, I think governance is a process. It's a process. Paying for money the omoye. It's a process. But the point is, when these things are all the full complement of government, I don't expect for the likes of the who can say, scanning images, the staffs of that institution, and it's similar to that of Akufo Addo ban of ambulance maintenance. No, no, it's just the same thing. Because I see no reason why the staff of Ghana Ambulance Service maintaining ambulances. Meanwhile, somebody have taken the contract, and we are wasting time. So we got chop banana see when you are and can't be bomb pie. Bianese when him a city did go. Boy, you know about bomb pie. You understand me? I don't know. We made that noise. Say Akufo Addo ba Aji contract to maintain ambulances.
Yeah.
And same services will be maintained or serviced by staff of that institution. Then what is going on? In Obama just invite you, and whoever is the head of that company.
That's a chronobo.
Now you can is the head of the Ghana Ambulance Service or Hobium. So still. And on your
mente say you need it.
This kind of fraud and criminal acts no. I didn't know the facility. What does he? It did MP before we can move. Yes, see, allergy be our coaching in cigar content be our NDC. Now, say allergy. It's also possible to say there's no allergy, but for security purposes, they say allergy. What does he? But a moment the kind of pointing fingers towards the NDC. What does he? So, I agree. They are working. Omo Juma, Sana just a
yeah, because Yawra John Dramani Bawumia Campaign 2024, that is one of the key messages ana Wadema Ghana for say corruption among 4 years go operation recover all loot.
Sure.
Nti ano na mo recover no. Enkuntabo no won semet saying.
I think when they are done with investigation, accountability will also follow.
Accountability will follow. Because Ghanaians want to know. Ghana
they will surely know. That is why in a couple of days ago, the AG carried Ghanaians along based on Yoma Ekuko Koso. Obesama Bium, a little professor in law. We are not the pepe. Oh, yeah, no, we are going to carry Ghanaians along to brief them exactly what is going on in this country from sector to sector. And they had time. But one time I say, you put it into action.
How many Chakasazo?
Whoever is responsible for whatever sector, let's put those criminals into action by sending them to court. What I say, we should start exposing them. Let me frank and honest with you here. Because when we're in opposition, no, you're born, you might be whom they will. So where I say, So I see no reason why we should be delaying with investigation. I thought we have the facts. Ghanaians are anxious. One person there goes.
Of course, Ghana for any abre. Yes, because
investigation were too slow.
I said the are too slow because from 7th January, na minim say by before say ya best mampany in kwa na nkrofo a ombeba various security positions nyina they knew say omo na eba no bebre na kra intelligence enti adentina sabre yenya nipa ba ko bi enele no
there be enconisa because the security service must be fed with information e bi na honorable jina kwa ye no or feeding national security say I see then they'll make a follow up and upon that when I arrest also what did I say but they had come somewhere there. Because they have to feed national security or the security apparatus to enable them act. And now we are sector minister and now we are agency header. One for information now, my bed on at you upon it. In the name of John Kwabaso. Electricity ECG over how many containers? 1,300 plus gone missing. Meaning 40-footer container there. You know what 40-footer container means? 40 foot 19 years. What I say, but with due diligence by the sector minister in collaboration with the security apparatus, you understand me? We should start acting now. These guys are a bunch of criminals. They live little space. But could be no, yet they were parliament panel 17 km.
That's a parliament call recess until
before that recess. No, I did pa. Or call national security by no heading. A press conference said not teach no idea.
No.
Oh, leader no back with you.
Sir,
the best body.
And I said that. Look,
these guys, it's time to shut them up.
It's time to shut which people up.
I'm talking about MP. When I say these guys, I refer to MPPs.
MPP as a whole.
Some of them anyway. Papa be move.
Sir,
I'm telling you, I know them very well. Wouldn't I say she phone and answer so they call. What I say, I know them very well. And you know, let's see something going. Much as I agree the age is very soon, or the government court no. Yeah, let's start moving. Maybe they have a strategic plan that I'm not aware, and I don't need to be aware of their strategic plan. But we Ghanaians want to know exactly what is happening. What did I say?
It's another.
The zeal, the enthusiasm are Ghana for the Maya, and see that under the fourth dispensation of our beloved country, say opposition track bearer, and 57% plus, and see that General Spaniards at the end of that. It will say the will, the zeal, the enthusiasm. Ghana for the man. In the recent survey by Musa Dankwa, still JM is more popular. Even have gone up than the result he got. What I say? Into no chase Ghana for more GDO. Yenji Ghana for si come on. Na nipa ba put me the container be 10 12 asikani sikakoko eguma. Then just think about others. If somebody who had National Signal Bureau, okay, let me fa that amount of money, let me thought dime by 27 plus 27 at one location. Then imagine sector ministers. We want to know. We are anxious to know, and we must know. This is our beloved country. As I know my course come in fact, let me come back. Could be so one of the portals almost a hospital been best in more exact places. One no my course then effect.
Ano paya na etiana. SM20 bi aye ni hwehwe mo Ridge Hospital. Aban oko omo din bi om the friends image department to say then. Baby twa scan ne sa ne ma picture friends machines are saying that say you be fix no. Na akofa company bi say omra. Na omra me company ni nim die bia e ba sa ne ma no. Nti omba Ridge Hospital staff na and a warm manage Sanya man. Na 80% of the revenue no call sa company no, not 20 at Ridge Hospital.
Do we need further investigation on this one?
Yes. As I
don't need an investigation because the evidence is there.
No, and some training acquired investigation.
No, assume it's true. I just say we rush on such a person. Why is that company taking 80%? For what job being done? It beat my imagination. I cannot think far. 80%, not even 10%. What I say, everybody say TDC, you see a washing curtain over 46,000 Ghana cedis. Washing of curtain. What kind of rot is all this? And the security apparatus. What I say, almost if you they should be invited by now. Yeah, check.
Then Americano. And you want Casa, would you to me say, check?
Check. What I say, Casano Yard also. It must follow with action. Ghanaians are patiently waiting. As you remember, but then tackle Konubonu answer. ECG Dika over 70 billion Ghana cedis. Divide that by 16. If you the car ECG in dollars. What do I say? What we procure on your ma are able to take the next 25 years. But within 5 years period, your mama expire. In so their mammy no. One mammy so baku 40. Semi num within the program. But in the next 15 minutes, the program you about the pong. Mammy so semi num.
It is the animals as you know.
How? And we have people like this govern such an institution. Me see the former MD the other day, no kasa bebre. Ono na kamia me yedi. Because he's calling for sympathy. If I were him, I'll be mute. What did they make us mean? I will just go to the minister and get this explained quietly to the minister. Then the minister will come out and speak to the nation. But who started defending who says, you were the MD. Who you at you at the end of the month? Would you say a yabon say no? Yes, sir. So you must be responsible for any rot that took place in that institution called ECG.
Yeah, sure.
Day in day out, new time say about. The problem of ECG is not financial; it's mismanagement.
It will free says you good management at ECG able to me afford into my perfra and they won't be running at loss like the way and
but they were not running that much loss as against 2017 to 2024. Go and check the records. So it answers your question. Good management.
Because over the years, Oma Bokasa
Busumu mienu. Enya February can say Busumu mienu. Because we took over in January.
Yeah.
Busumu mienu. A profit of $2.5 million.
And it's shocking.
How is it shocking?
No, it's shocking because over the years,
it is not shocking. It is just because we have a government that is responsible. The government have given the CEOs the tax to perform. A do maybe do so I appraise I share with performance. So if within 2 months, Tróuble is making $2.5 million as against the previous administration, it tells you something.
It also expects like Ujidi said, do you anticipate say ECG so able to turn your money?
No, but basically, it's not about increasing tariffs. It's about collecting what is due.
Tariffs need a increase because
no, but the point I'm making say it's not about collecting that increasing tariffs.
Say I know your IMF conditionalities.
I mean, Papa. Say, Obianto need to, and I believe say Ghanaians pay their rates very well. What I say against the other losses.
Yeah.
Now, all these things goes into procurement fraud. What do you expect? Now, for the next 25 years, that what would be doing? As against the immediate one now, as he can. What can I say? It is mismanagement financially. ECG stars are capable of working and they are doing very well. Before my basso, I just saw ECG 4. Now you boom lighter. You see them work. They run shift, and I'm told say 24 hours. No, come after the. They are also on standby. If you call their toll-free numbers when you're in difficulties, the hell is that person who go and procure things that are not necessary. What was unisika? What can your maba? What's unisika? Get this clear. To clear the thing. But when you see, I'm a private company to go and clear. Answer me now.
Your friend say,
whatever, the person must face the law. On me Sunday na mema me mani age.
Because Ghana for bebre na eka me kwa bonten amene amanfo ta di nkomo. Omo say you are John Jina boy adwuma. Omo hu say ade na yira ye tete amanfo. Ade ntina ECG fo ni bi wo ho. Ebibu krasi jubik ma makran kese sabre ya te no.
Onu na make cancer or kasarodo. But this is just one invitation. Onu what can say is ready to cooperate. So what are you waiting for? Call him to come and cooperate with you. Call him. Also, back critical, there are some letters flying all over. Authorization of selling of the container. Copy to the various departments, including the former chief of staff.
Frame up, Harry.
Yes, they should all come and answer.
Chief of staff for 8 years.
And then 8 years in here. And then 8 years in here. Papa be no tissue. Papa be no tissue. Okon work say a clinic. He attend to everybody. At me free office, Joseph, at me free office by 11, and Ajo. And up 11, no, he see to everybody. So, when we are able to manage such crisis by punishing people, no, they also be scared to mismanage. But if as usual, they are, well,
are they always say Ebeko as usual, Anna?
No, it's too early to give that judgment.
But we say speed near.
Speed. I think the speed.
You have speed. That's why I see the big Mahamadu. That's the speed.
So
yeah, because port. So answer na. So Kwaku you mobile phone keke kwa porter. Nkrata be sign the baby obe. So definitely someone might have given some authorization
for it to be released.
Sure.
Because the thing went into mortgage. How did you allow the thing to go into mortgage?
Demurrage.
Demurrage. How? When you say what can your man ever? Who can they? Because you have a clearing department.
Yes.
You have procurement department.
Sure.
They work hand in hand.
Yeah.
Bill of lading has been sent to you. So you must work on it. Because I didn't want hear anything I will cry. Yes, sir.
Sure.
So why do you have to allow it to go into demurrage?
And only as I'm no.
Why do you have to allow the items to go into demurrage? Because you procure the thing for a purpose. Much as we say a 25 years usage. But now we hear there no. What do I say? So it's likely the cost of demurrage is more than the cost of importation. There are a lot of questions to be answered. A lot of questions to be answered.
And people must answer those
I will not sit down as a managing director of a state institution. I may cry there. at the end of the day, ever call demurrage. No. As the MD or CEO, on daily basis, you must be updated on events from department to department. That is why you are the head. And you take responsibility for the pluses and responsibility for the minuses. What you say? So, what's his name? Jubik Mama. He cannot actually take himself out of all this rubbish. No. He must be all responsible. The first point of contact. Or Kasa too much. Media say such a person must be invited by now by the security apparatus.
It means that there is some disappointment some way somehow. Because yenyam frere no.
Somehow.
Support heads na wo no. ECG ye directors be one cases by now no. Kaya so mu penchi bare.
Yeah, you see, I might be a little bit disappointed for now, but I might be wrong.
Okay.
Seriously, I might be wrong. Because maybe I don't know what the security apparatus are doing.
Yo, if you have and someone about better, you also because so when you subscribe to channel idea, but more than say over subscribe. Now, while like video, give us a thumbs up. Now, share my work for so now when you be here now and somewhere also, Ghana memoir. Also, bit me actually wondering if I and some way you know comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.